रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि यस्सिर व ला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर. Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are good. So this video is for the quiz competition preparation for Pakistan studies and the subject code is 2059. This video is from the two chapters of history, that are chapter 14 and 15. This is for grade 2 term 2 unit 3. So chapter 14 is how successful was Pakistan in the 20 years following the decade of progress, and chapter 15 is how effective were Pakistan's government in the final decade of 20th century. So now we are going to start our quiz. So the first question is, when did Zulfikar Ali Bhutto become president? So the answer is in December 1971. The next question, who was made Chief of Army Staff by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto? So the answer is General Tika Khan. What was the result of Simla Agreement for Pakistan? So in that case, prisoners of 1971 war were to be released from the Indian side. The next question is, in which year a new constitution was formed under the leadership of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto? So the answer is 14th August 1973. The next question, who became president when Zulfikar Ali Bhutto was prime minister? So Chaudhry Fazal Ilahi became president when Zulfikar Ali Bhutto was prime minister. How many seats would be there in National Assembly under 1973 Constitution? So there would be total 200 members with 200 seats. What were the Bhutto reforms? So there were many reforms, including industrial reforms, agricultural reforms, in the field of education, health and social reforms, and then administrative reforms. What were the results of 1977 elections? 154 out of 200 seats were won by PPP, so they won the clear majority in that elections. When did Ziaul Haq imposed martial law? 5th July 1977. Where and when was Bhutto hanged to death? On 4th April 1979 in Pindi jail. The next question, who introduced the Hudud Ordinance? It was introduced by Ziaul Haq. The next question, what was the Zakat Ordinance? So it was basically a wealth tax that was almost 2.5% on savings over a certain amount. And what was the Usher Ordinance? It was a 5% tax on the agricultural income. What was Afghan miracle? In December 1979, when Soviet tanks rolled into Afghanistan, who was given the authority of all decisions according to Article 48? So it gave all the powers to the president of the country. When and by whom did first referendum take place in Pakistan? It was by Ziaul Haq in December 1984. On which agreement Zia lifted the martial law? So after passing of 8th Amendment to the Constitution, he was agreed upon lifting the martial law from the country. The next question is, when and how Ziaul Haq died? So he died on 17th August in 1988 in a plane crash. When did Benazir Bhutto became Prime Minister of Pakistan? When she won 1988 elections with the majority. What is the unique badge of Benazir Bhutto as a Prime Minister? So she became the first woman Prime Minister in the history of Islamic countries. Who was the political oppositional leader at that time? So the answer is Nawaz Sharif. What was the major disagreement between Benazir Bhutto and President Ghulam Ishaq Khan? So they were having a clash on the appointments in the military and judiciary. What were the major problems ruling in country faced by Benazir Bhutto? So she faced inflation, unemployment, drug trafficking, less education and health as compared to population. What was the main problem in Sindh province under Benazir Bhutto's leadership? So mainly there were conflicts between Sindhis and Muhajir. What were the achievements made by Benazir Bhutto in the foreign policies of Pakistan? She took Pakistan into Commonwealth. She hosted fourth SAARC conference. She restored good relations with USA. Who dismissed Benazir Bhutto's government? President Ghulam Ishaq Khan using 8th Amendment. The next question: what reasons were given by the president to dismiss the Benazir Bhutto's government? So he gave the reasons of corruption, incompetence, and inaction. When did Nawaz Sharif become Prime Minister for the first time? In October 1990. What was the major transportation network project that was led by Nawaz Sharif? It was the motorway project. First motorway was M2 that was completed in 1997. Why did United States aid was lost during Sharif leadership? As soon as Soviet-Afghan war ended, the aid from USA also drained. Dispute over Pakistan's nuclear weapon policy was another reason. What was the BCCI scandal? Bank of Credit and Commerce was charged with widespread fraud and manipulations. The next question: how did Sharif lost his fame in the cooperative societies scandal? These societies granted loans of billions of rupees to Sharif's family business that was Ittefaq Group. Moreover, mismanagement led to bankruptcy. What was the purpose of 12th Amendment introduced by Sharif? Speedy trial courts was the main purpose. What were the conflicts between Sharif and President Ghulam Ishaq Khan? So they had a dispute over appointment of Chief of Army Staff. Other than that, dispute over 8th Amendment. Who became Prime Minister after Nawaz Sharif in 1993 elections? So Benazir Bhutto for the second time. What were the feuds in Benazir Bhutto's family? Nusrat Bhutto always preferred Mir Murtaza as leader of Pakistan People's Party. Murtaza was against Benazir Bhutto being the leader and Asif Ali Zardari's involvement in Pakistan People's Party. Murtaza was later killed in a police ambush with aid of government according to a judicial review. Who dismissed Benazir Bhutto during his second tenure as Prime Minister? So President of that time Farooq Ahmad Khan Lagari using 8th Amendment. The next question: who became Prime Minister in 1977 elections? Nawaz Sharif for the second time. What was the first act of Sharif after becoming Prime Minister in 1977? He introduced 13th Amendment to the Constitution which revoked all the powers of President to take decisions. When was nuclear testing carried out? In 1988, 1998 in Balochistan. What was the major factor that defamed Sharif? 1971 Kargil conflict and then involvement of Pakistan forces in Kashmir. What was the plane conspiracy? In October 1999, Sharif did not allow Musharraf plane to land and tried to change the Chief of Army Staff. So this was all about the quiz competition of chapter 14 and 15 of history. All the best for the preparation. Thank you.